Change will not come if we wait for some other person or some other time. Yes, we can. The best way to not feel hopeless is to get up and do something. If you're walking down the right path and you're willing to keep walking, eventually you will make progress. We are the change that we seek. A change is brought about because ordinary people do extraordinary things. The future rewards those who press on. Focusing your life solely on making a buck shows a poverty of ambition. Money is not the only answer, but it makes a difference. If you work hard and meet your responsibilities, you can get ahead. The cynics may be the loudest voices, but I promise you, they will accomplish the least. Nothing in life that's worth anything is easy. We need to internalize this idea of excellence. Where you are right now doesn't have to determine where you'll end up. Progress will come in fits and starts. We did not come to fear the future. We came here to shape it. The real test is not whether you avoid this failure. We have real enemies in the world. These enemies must be found. A good compromise, a good piece of legislation, is like a good sentence. You can't let your failures define you. If you give up on the idea that your voice can make a difference, then other voices will fill the void. We don't ask you to believe in our ability to bring change. Rather, we ask you to believe in yours. It is time for us to meet the challenges of our time. In the face of impossible odds, people who love this country can change it. The arc of the moral universe may bend toward justice. We prove that we are still a people capable of doing big things. If somebody is different from you, that's not something you criticize, that's something you appreciate. A nation that cannot control its energy sources cannot control its future. The strongest weapon against hateful speech is not repression, it is more speech. You can choose hope over fear. Our destiny is not written for us, but by us. What we have already achieved gives us hope for what we can and must achieve tomorrow. The road ahead will be long. We rise or fall together as one nation. Better is good. You can put lipstick on a pig, it's still a pig. Change is never easy, but always possible. We are one people, all of us pledging allegiance to the stars and stripes. The best leaders are those most interested in surrounding themselves with assistants and associates smarter than they are. We are the ones we've been waiting for. Hope is that stubborn thing inside us that insists something better awaits.